Here we go, 6-pack abs, 5-minute weighted core workout. Let's get to it. First round, 20 full core extensions. Now, really important, try to keep your pelvis in neutral, your front ribs down. If your back is arcing when your legs are extending, your rectus abdominis is not strong enough, so don't extend as far. Your arms should be externally rotated, so your folds of your elbows painting to the floor when that weight goes overhead. You choose the level of weight or eliminate the weight and just keep working with the movement. Remember to breathe. All right, here we go. Second exercise, leg extension, 10 times with one arm, and then switch the arm. Same thing, ribs stay down, pelvis stays neutral. Extend the legs out only as far as you can keep your pelvis and lower back under control. Now that weight extended overhead may not look like much, but I assure you, your upper abs right now are probably burning. Breathe. We're gonna switch sides. Keep breathing. Now you can drop the weight in that upper arm if it gets to be too much, nice and slow and steady. Inhale, extend, breathe into your lungs, into your side ribs. Exhale, pull up through the pelvic floor. Inner core stability equals external control. Remember, your arms and legs are an extension of your core. They are not separate. They are never separate. Now grab the weight with both arms, roll your body up into flexion, and we're gonna single leg extension the legs. Feet flexed to help stretch the hamstrings. Pull your toes back towards you. Same thing, stability. The upper abs are what's holding your head and shoulders overhead, not your neck. So if you're straining, drop that head down. Breathe. Full body extension. We're going to try to go for 10 here. You do not have to drop the legs all the way down or the arms all the way down. Notice how my torso is staying super steady and stable. This is a true test of control, not just strength. If your shoulder's clicking and popping, watch that external rotation. You're going to have a lot more freedom. This becomes a great scapula stretch as well. Just stay consistent. Bend the knees, flex the feet, externally rotate, press that weight up again, press out, and then back in. Now again, you have the option to lift the head or drop it down. Notice how when my knees come in, my lower back is not dropping and then arcing. This is all about control. Think about pushing a board off your body. Resist against the air. Now drop it down, take a breath. Big breaths. Back up, chest press 20 times. Now notice how I changed the angle of my legs. That's going to change the level of core challenge. Just keep breathing. 10 rounds, 15 rounds, 20 rounds. You got this, almost there. Roll it up. Oblique twist. Flex the feet. Try to keep the pelvis somewhat steady. Now the key is to move from the rib cage, not from the hips. So although my hips are pivoting, I'm really focusing on my rib cage rotating right and left. That's going to get that internal oblique. My weight is staying frozen in front of the chest. Now you could definitely do this without the weight. Try to keep the back nice and long. Watch not to round. When you use the weight, you get that bonus of your deltoids, biceps, all working as well. Now drop it down, take a rest, and when you're ready, weighted pelvic press. So we're moving up into a bridge, feet are parallel, press down through all four corners of the feet. Think about your pubis bone pointing to the sky. Most people just want to squeeze when they lift. Do not do that. You'll actually turn off your rectus abdominis, your 6-pack abs. So tip the pelvis. Feel the glutes engage, your hamstrings kick in. Keep your legs parallel. You won't be able to go as high, but sometimes that's okay. Take a breath, legs extend, roll it up into forward bend. Drop your shoulders back. Now I have long arms, so it's easy to grab my feet. Breathe. And when you're ready, reverse table. Roll the shoulders in, press down through the toes, stretch it open. Breathe with me. Nice work.